Hi everyone, myself Dr. Shweta Patil. I am speaking about Shirashuladi Vajra Rasa today. Shirashuladi Vajra Rasa is a herbomineral preparation in a tablet form. This is mainly used for Shirarogas. The reference for this is Vaishyaja Ratnavali Shirarogadikara. What are its ingredients? It contains Palam Sotam Palam Gandham Palam Loham Palam Ravihi Gugulo Palachatvari Tadyardam Trifalarajaha Yashtimadu Kanashunti Gokshuram Kriminashanam Dashamolashcha Pratyekam Tolakam Parikalpayet Kvateena Dashamolashcha Yatasvam Paribhavayet Grutayogena Kartavya Mashayika Pramitavati Chagi Dugdena Vasevya Madhuna Payasa Athava वातिकिं पैतिकिंश्चैव श्लैषिकीं श्लैष्मिकीं सन्निपातिकीं शिरो अर्तिं नाशयत्याशु वज्रं मुक्तमिवासुरं शिरो वज्ररसो नाम चन्द्रनाथेन भाषिता. Now we shall see the preparation along with the ingredients. The mode of preparation of this Shirashuladi Vajra Rasa is in a Khalva Yantra, in a stone mortar, we should take Parada and Gandhaka in an equal portion, that is 1 pala, and triture it well to make it a kajali. Once kajali is prepared, remaining ingredients except the gugulo and dashamula kvata should be taken in a fine powder form and mixed with a kajali and triturated well. In another loha patra, we should take dashamula kvata and the mentioned quantity of guggulu should be added and heated upon a mandagni. Next, all the ingredients, whatever we have mixed with the kajali, those should be mixed with this guggulu and dashamula kvata mixture, and again dashamula kvata bhavana, that is trituration, is performed. Once trituration is completed, we should smear the grither to the palms, then vati should be rolled. This is a method of preparation mentioned in Vaishyaja Ratnavali. Once the dose or the size of the vati here is 1 mashika, means 1 gram size, 1 black gram sized vati should be rolled and it should be dried and kept stored in a glass jar. In which all conditions this Shirashuladi Vajra Rasa can be used? It can be used in different kinds of headache, different doshaja headache. Apart from that, Suryavarta, Anantavata, Ardhava Bedaka, that is migraine headaches, neuralgic headaches, and tension headaches. Even vascular headaches can also be treated, especially the sinus headaches. Different kinds of sinus involvement can be treated effectively with Shirashuladi Vajra Rasa. Being a herbomineral preparation, self-medication is strictly prohibited here. This should be taken as per the advice of your doctor. Next, if this medicine has to be used in case of pregnant ladies or lactating women or in case of children, this must be advised by a treating doctor. Shirashuladi Vajra Rasa is not a single remedy for different kinds of headache. This can be coupled with Manasamitra Vati, Brahmi Ganavati, Patyaksha Datradi Kashayam, or even Gandhaka Rasayana Trifala Gugulu based on the indications. The treating physician will be making a combination. And how it should be taken? It should be taken twice a day. It should be taken after the food, and the adjuvants as per reference are chagi dugdha, that is the goat's milk, cow's milk, or even madhu, or finally ushna jala can be a anupana for Shirashuladi Vajra Rasa. This is all about a brief information regarding Shirashuladi Vajra Rasa. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel and share it to the needed people. Thanks for watching our video.